Hayi, ziyakhala bafethu, ziyakhala kwiNimba bafethu. Don't forget to watch iNimba Monday to Friday, Mzansi Magic at 9 o'clock. Hey bafethu, you're missing out if you're not watching iNimba. But I got you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel though. So bafethu, there's tension in the house laphana kaZoleka. As you can see, uhlathi-ke laphana is demanding ingane yakhe bavumile ukuthi ihambe naye, and is expecting ukuthi uZoleka enze the right thing by giving uhlathi ingane yakhe and changing the surname of bavumile to Mabandla. So ke manje the house is getting packed, it's getting full laphana. Uyabona nje laphana ubhuti kaZoleka lapha ukhona Lazarus naye manje sekushube ngempela. Qhawe was even there to actually witness everything. Hlathi is all smiles laphana. He's all smiles because he's scared ukuthi now the truth will finally come out by default, because uHlathi wasn't going to speak. Owahlathi nje ukuthi asho ukuthi ufuna ingane yakhe and ubavumile is his son, not Lazarus. You understand? So the house was full bafethu. Lukhanyo ubhuti kaZoleka was there. As you can see, Lazarus ke bafethu is starting to be a bit anxious because manje iqiniso liyaphuma nangibaba wakhe usefikile ke manje. The whole house was getting just packed, it was getting full, you understand? And Baba Lazarus came in with smiles and everything, you understand? Only for uHlathi to say he is the father of Bavumile. Lazarus was lying to everyone. Hey, that's crazy. So bafethu Mr. Mvalo uyahlangana no Sydney. Sydney was fired by Ikhusela, if you know, guys, and Mr. Mvalo uneyinkinga lapha na Capital Bank as the CEO because they made him a puppet, bamveza kwi-PR, and then he went all over live television to actually speak positive about the Capital Bank and Ikhusela in relation. So Sydney is actually telling Mr. Mvalo ukuthi, hey mfethu, these people are actually making you Popeyes. Yabona, cut ties with them or else they'll make you worse, you understand? So Sydney actually is putting a bad influence kulo mjidalona, as I knew yesterday ukuthi Sydney kuzodlala nge-game. Ngalena Hlathi ke mfethu is all happy. He is all happy, you understand? Because tshela ubaba kaLazarus ukuthi yebo lo mzukulu uhlezi ukhuluma ngayo ucabanga ukuthi owakho. Awayena owakho. Unyana wakho unamanga, uyaxoxa. Ingane eyakhe uHlathi, you understand? Eyakhe uHlathi. Hey, Qhawe is all over there, yabona, looking at the drama and whatsoever. These people weren't actually saying anything, you understand? So basically uHlathi ke ul-expose iqiniso wathi hayi man, le ngane eyami, eyakhe ingane, not uLazarus, you understand? As you all know bafethu, Lazarus is infertile. Akwazi uzala ingane, he can't bear children. So this guy is actually in trouble, big trouble, yabo, because the truth is now out and his father knows the whole truth. The whole family knows the whole truth. So now bafethu umngane kaZoleka ke, I'm forgetting a character name because she's part-time, guys. Yo, ngixolela nami. But ke uqashiwe ke laphana uCIO uOnga ukuthi abe iPR yabo, you understand? And it's not because bamqashela, it's not because she's hired because she's Zoleka's friend. I think it's the effort that she's putting because day in day out she's been doing PRs lapha eKhusela. So Onga ke meets with Mr. Mvalo, the Capital Bank CEO, and this guy looks influenced. Yabona uSidney usevele nje wamfaka ehlathini lo muntu lona, convinced the guy to actually make a decision. A wise decision, not even a wise decision, a wrong decision. That will make this guy even lose more because Sydney is actually against Ikhusela. So manje he wants everyone on his side because he was there eavesdropping and listening. Thumeka bafethu, she's not okay, as you can see in the picture. This person is not okay regarding the situation ukuthi uZoleka umama kabavumile and uHlathi is the father of the child, and uHlathi seems happy to be the father of the child, but uHlathi kept on asking Thumeka for another child. Thumeka kept on sugarcoating up until she actually agreed and opened up to actually be umama wengane, yabona. And manje uNtsiki is telling Thumeka ukuthi yo, you are gonna be the mother of the child. The child needs you, Limise. The child needs you. And Thumeka is like, she can't be the baby. She can't be the baby mama of the child because already Uzoleka is the baby mama of the child. So she's not the biological mother. She can't parent a child that she didn't give birth to. So Mr. Mvalo of Capital Bank chooses to cut ties with Ikhusela. And the company Capital Bank was actually doing well, yabona, opening 4,000 new accounts, you understand. But ke njengoba ngishilo guys, Mr. Mvalo is actually influenced by uSydney, yabona. Bam-influencele lo muntu, so he chose to cut ties with Khusela and stuff, and the PR team yaseKhusela was actually ready to save Capital Bank. Hayi lana bafethu, it's a family meeting. It's a family meeting. Lazarus kuyakhuluma on his behalf. He finally spoke out the truth to his father, straight to his face, and told his father he's infertile, so he can't bear children. It's been 4 years since Lazarus has been infertile. He can't bear children, you understand that? And he actually wanted to be the father of Zolega's baby and whatsoever. So Zolega also spoke her side of the story and told Baba Lazarus no, we are now no Lazarus, and she wants to keep a cool, good, healthy relationship with Lazarus. That's why she chose Lazarus as the baby, as the father of the baby, I mean. You understand? And what she is done with Uhlati. They're done with their relationship, and she doesn't want Uhlati to have another child with her. So she's actually comfortable. She feels like she's home when she's with Lazarus. You understand? Now nonceba usisika Lazarus bafethu bambuzile ukuthi what do you know about this ebuzo ubaba wakhe. Uyasho nonceba ukuthi she received the news yesterday. But she chose to keep quiet because it wasn't in her space to actually talk about this whole thing. So ushiya abanikazi yena, you understand? Ngalena ke bafethu uyakhuluma ke uLazarus amtshela babakhe face to face ukuthi yo mina ngikwazi ukuzala ingane. It's been years trying to sort out this thing, wasting money, yabona, but ayilungi lento le. And the father looks disappointed, obviously, as he should be disappointed. But Nonceba is always behind her brother, yabona, supporting her brother and whatsoever. So the father looks disappointed because manje simele atshela nomfundisi usisi wakhe ukuthi the child wasn't Lazarus, and obviously nomfundiso said so kubaba Lazarus ukuthi hey la ngane lana doesn't look like Lazarus. Sydney abafethu is celebrating lapana because he feels like he's accomplished something, you understand, because he is the one who actually influenced Mr. Mvalo to actually cut ties with Khusela. So the guy is actually happy. Ngalena uhlathi ufuna ukukhuluma no Lazarus man to man. I like the maturity, but I was looking forward to what Hlati was gonna say, you understand. But uhlathi ushilo bafethu ukuthi usezo involve ama-lawyers. So there's gonna be custody situation involvements, whatever. So Hlati bafethu is gonna involve lawyers regarding him having to take the baby and change the baby's surname and be the actual father of the baby, even in the birth certificate. That's crazy, bafethu. That's crazy. Let me know what you think is gonna happen on the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Danko.